Welcome. And my secret weapon here is my light up motorcycle, and it rides away, journey through town, journey through the countryside, and it's the spectacular journey. The wind breathes away on your face, through your head, and pressure is for a positive outbreak. Boom. See? Yep. It's gonna be Light Up Motorcycle Part 2. And kick back, relax, and enjoy the show. There's gonna be all different colors on this thing, so I hope your mind is with me. Are you ready? Okay. Blue, yellow, bluish green, pinkish red. Oh, white, green, red, blue, white, green, red, white, green, red, blue, white, green, red, blue. White, red, green, blue, yellow, green, red. Looks, I don't know, that color is kind of a pinkish red. Like, don't get me wrong, everyone who's watching, it's kind of a pinkish red. Look at it. It's the beautiful thing about it. You click it again, goes to all different colors by itself. Just keep clicking it like one time, which counts to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You like 5 times in a row, and then click again another time. Goes into multiple different colors at once. That's its journey. Okay, everyone, if you love this motorcycle, I'm happy to hear it. But if you don't, then get the fuck out of my town. And if you love it super like it, super love it, then you can please make sure to like. If you do, honestly, I'm not gonna go over the comments because I don't really care, to be honest. But the only thing I do care about in this video so far is your taste, your likable opinion, and same views as well, same content as I do with this light up son of a gun. Fuck yeah. Green, red, white, blue, green, red, white, blue, green, yellow, red, white. Green, red, white, blue, green, red, white, blue, red, blue, white, yellow, green. Holy shit. Everyone, this thing just goes on and on and on and on. So if it does, try not to get a headache. At least try not to get that bad of a headache, because it's the best thing that could ever happen to me and to you. White, red, green, blue, yellow, green. Damn right. Okay. 2 minutes here with the light up. you know, I'm going to just tell you something, everyone. The more and more you keep clicking on it, then don't get me wrong, the lesser it will just be easier to click right back off. But you just gotta figure out your own little path. That's all. That's all you have to do. Look at it. Fuck yeah. It's going down the road.
Ow! That was the roof of my head, you asshole! How dare you! I'm going to attack this pansy once and for all.
What the fuck, man? What the heck? You were in the road while I was on my journey, brother. Why? So I guess I gotta be
aware of my surroundings.
it's just so hard to play the fish like without putting my hand in the fish's face. But just a little show and tell for you. Anyways, gonna be cutting out here shortly. Just gonna do this once again. Red, green, blue, yellow, blue, red, green, red, green, red, yellow, white, blue, red, green, blue, yellow, white, red, white, blue, green, red. Hey, red, white, and blue. But except we got the green, and we got a fucking pinkish red. Yeah, that's the stuff. Okay. Peace.